Kajingelang jong kilaitili ki District Council ki Badon Hakajilla, Ktah Kagaro Hills Autonomous District Council, Kakhasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Bat Kajaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, Balawan Shimbenta da ki Chief Executive Members, jong baro laitili ki Council, da kaway kasur, kilapenpaw ka jingtmu ka sorkar pedeng, ban pentrey kam yak Uniform Civil Code, hakari baro kaway, bat nakalyang jong ki kilaray bakini kilaitili ki council kinsa pass da ka official resolution ban persya ya kani bat kumju bandawa baday ban pelat ya ka jingtray kam kani kaan hakikbo jong kilaitili ki council. Habakrench kilat pathay kubor u CEM ka KHADC ulaong. Baka jingshim ya kani karay ka day na marlada wanra ay kani kaan kan Ktah shibun ya ka jingtray kam ki council na markan don ka jingtingku kababun bat kariti dustur bat kirukom sensyar tenray jong ki judge benriyo hangni. Ulaong ru ban nakalyang kilaitili ki council kila syem ya karay ban persya halor ki katu kat ni ki kendon ki batmu ban penrung thamai ha ka jingpen kelai ka 6 schedule kata ha ka bayadei bat ka jingtmu ban island ya ki kum ki representative tribe bat kumju halor ka jingtmu ban wanra ya ki village council namar lada da ka jingwan jongki kandon ka jingtingku pedeng ki rukom sensyar baladon lupa ulaong baka jingelang kalaray baha ka jaka kani ki village council laay jingmut ban wanra da ki village development council banaka jingelang kalaray baya kani kamat on ya tay sani hapo yeng dorbar jongki laitili ki council.
Friends, today we are having this meeting of all the 3D ADC represented by the Honorable CM of Garo Hills Autonomous District Council along with Deputy CM and CM of Giant Hills Autonomous District Council along with Deputy CM and EMs, and from Khasi Hill, myself and all the executive members, including our respected chairman of the council. So we have a very cordial, successful meeting today. We have discussed some important issue, especially regarding the intention of the central government to introduce their bill of Uniform Civil Code in the country. So we feel that UCC will directly have an impact on the powers and function of the Autonomous District Council, especially with our custom, our traditional practice, community as a whole. So we have unanimously decided that jointly we will pass a resolution that implementation of UCC in the 6th schedule area will be totally opposed. We will resolution in our respective council soon regarding this matter. Secondly, regarding the amendment of the proposed amendment of the 6th schedule, this matter has been kept for so long. So we would like that amendment of 6th schedule should be passed by the central government soon in the parliament. But there are some issues which are still pending regarding two issues, that is the implementation of village council in the scheduled area and unrepresented tribe. These are the two issues which are still pending, which needs to be elaborated more, to discuss more. So we have discussed this matter seriously. I would like to inform you that we have highlighted to our friends from Garo Hills and Giant Hills that in KHADC we have passed an act which called Development Council Bill. So we would like to see that even in this two council also, which they should pass this bill, so that implementation of village council will not no longer implement in our state, because we have our own traditional institution. Because according to this proposed amendment, the implementation of village council in our state will dilute the powers and function of our traditional institution. So we will not like to see that our traditional institution will go away. We would like to see them to remain with our traditional practice. So that's why we have decided that these matters will be discussed in the respective council soon, and they have also their own bill in the respective council, like Jaintia Hills and Garo Hill also. Maybe they will have more amendment, or they will pass this separate bill, which we call Village Development Council Bill. This which we have discussed is regarding financial matters. You see, we used to get a share from the state government, like minor mineral share, major mineral share, and motor vehicle tax share from the state government. But unfortunately, all these years, we never get a correct, correct calculation how much our share used to be. We always got a lump sum amount of share. So we would like to urge the state government that at least we should get an actual calculation regarding this matter, all these years. So we would like also to urge the state government to get more fund for all the three ADC, especially like a plant scheme, other financial assistance, and even we have discussed about the delay in our 15 financial assistance, 15 Finance Commission award, which we used to get from the central government regarding like the GTC, or to urge the government to release our fund in time, because the delaying of release of fund is also the delay of implementation of the scheme. Because from the central government, they used to give us pressure to submit the UC, but we cannot submit our UC in time because we didn't get our fund in time. So right now we are not getting our fund, like on-tight scheme, right from 21, 22 to 23 we have not get. Like health scheme also we are not getting till now. So these are the problems which we face by all the three ADC. So we would like jointly to urge the state government to see this kind of delaying in implementation of the scheme should not be taken place. They have, especially for two autonomous district council, because if they pass this village development council also, I think they have to call for a special session. So hopefully by next month, we would like to speed up this matter, because as I have mentioned that we want at least amendment of 6th schedule should be taken place within this year, so that we from our side will speed up this matter. Regarding tight scheme, there is no delay from the state government, but at least yes, sometimes back there is a delay in time to release. But as of now, we have not received the untied scheme from the central government, right, from 21, 22 and 22, 23. So these 2 years now is still pending with the central government, because we have not yet cannot be able to issue their UC, and there are some technical problem also, which the central government has pressured us to have that e-gram to upload all the scheme in the portal. But this technical problem is there in all the three ADC. So we urge the state government to write to the central government that we should be accepted from these technical problems. We have discussed about the implementation of this Swamita scheme, by the central government that we are totally opposed regarding this implementation of this scheme in our state, because our land tenure system is totally different from other states in the country. We have our traditional practice, we have our own land holding system in our state. So that's why implementation of Swami TAP scheme in the state, in our state, we are not accepting. So these are the few points that we have discussed. So I would like my colleagues also, our honorable CM from Giant Hills and CM from Garo Hills would like to add more things which we have discussed.
So, as we have heard that our honorable CM of Ktah Hill has already highlighted, but only the things that you see in our Giant Hill District Council, we are already having that act, that appointment of chief and headman, Act 2015. But we had already discussed here if that act we had already have with us may not be approved or may not be accepted by the central government. So that is why we had already decided jointly within 3 autonomous district council, we will have this village development council to be formed with immediate effect.
Have this kind of meeting, and what we have discussed in this meeting, it will be fruitful for us, and I hope that whatever we have discussed in this meeting, it will be good for everyone and for the welfare of the people of Garo Hills, Khas Hills and Giant Hills. So I hope that this kind of meeting is very, very much important for us, and whatever we have discussed regarding this agenda, so it will be very much helpful for us. So thank you.